Satota le.
Yeah, no uzovule tibusika.
Ngandeka ngoba vele nginawo balamani baningi vele ba
After work.
yeah after mina and then ngavula umnyango ke bayeta ke vele omncane uhanti so yeah.
Nah. Oh, shout out. No siyabona. And then kuba buhlungu somkhulu to kwema siblings akho ne because you need to lead by example. So many things because ufuna ubangimake lesinye isikhathi kulabanye bakhona.
It's a topic for another day. Because when it comes to this, I mean, I have to be honest based on my exposure and experience.
Yeah, ne?
It requires you to live by example. At the same time, we are going to I expect a lot from you, especially Batali, as I said, which can be a topic for another day because Batali Nabastala, Kulisa, they've got their own expectations, as including beliefs in a religion.
Yeah.
I'm the only one who's born again.
So
yes, I'm the only one like breaker gonge bang my father disowned me because why wanna as a disgrace, which hence I'm saying which if you wanna engage kuloko vele itoba deep. So
no, one day if we officially khuluma I think inganceda lomunye umuntu I think namhle ngokudumile ngaye yabo. Yeah. So as you saying you are born again. To a person who doesn't know what's a born again.
A born again.
Uzudalwa phela uphezulu uyadala utelo.
A born again it's someone who chose to follow Christ.
Okay.
Yeah, like obviously sonke la suka khona it's undisputed ukuthi vele besibelivela tuwe madlodi like ayisi issue yokuthi ngizothi mina madloda awekho fine besibelivela kuwo satalwa kuloko but as through learning and exposure as I said you end up angisina umuntu uyakubona ukuthi lokhu uhambe ufunze ukuthi logo akungisebenteli or logo does not make sense without offending anybody. But for me, I just felt like no man, this thing does not make sense. Like for me, let me just try to follow something. Le aligner nami. So that's when I became a born again.
So mina angiyayiva angimuva kahle ukuthi yini born again straight.
Born again. It's someone that when you become a born again. Udalwa kabusha, which means whatever as I'm saying, which my name is more blessing. Then when we choose Christ, most of the thing, let me put it this way. One thing lenda ukuthi sibe mabona again nasitalwa nkosana sitalwa emndenini whereby there are cases mkhulu wa rape abantwana gogo waenda ini and then the case iyachubeka generation to generation. So when you decide to accept Christ you become a born again, you're no longer binded to whatever lebe isemndenini. That's what it means to be born again. Udalwa kabusha, I belong ngala ku Christ.
Okay.
If I'm making sense.
No, ngiyakuva. Yeah, no, that's tough.
It's not.
It's not tough.
I'm not. I'm very open-minded. I'm going to be offended, whatever. I mean, see, some people, it's not everyone. Like Buddha Ngobiya Kachaka, some they genuinely want to understand what it means, and there is nothing wrong about Mundo Funak understand the flows. From a distance, it's just like, oh, lava baba chuga madloti there is more to it. It's not an issue with it right now through understanding and through exposure, and then we are gonna with along with something that learning is in for because ekugcineni nkosana uNkulunkulu njengoba astadile most Christians angeke bavumelane nami. I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu nakwayena wonke umuntu la khona even lo emadloti they supposed to be there. So I'm not supposed to judge umuntu ukuthi ngoba lo ume endleleni le right because mina from my own indlela lengiphila ngayo lenkosana uNkulunkulu asifuna kithi it's love. Wonke umuntu lothandzako which means uhamba naNkulunkulu. So I can claim to be a born again but yet ngibe nginganalo lelithando, so it does not make me a born again. I think it's personal.
It's personal.
Yeah, it's personal. It's personal.
So if me, I want to be a born again, which steps I need to take? What my steps take? No matter.
Simple. We just accept Jesus Christ as the Lord and Savior.
Yeah.
Just Jesus Christ. That's why